PSLens gives you insight into PeopleSoft like you have never seen before. Every PeopleSoft object, alert, and report in a browser tab. In this short demo, we will focus on how PSLens helps security administrators quickly explore your user security in PeopleSoft. PeopleSoft security is a three-level chain. Users get roles, roles get permission lists, and permission lists grant the actual access. Auditing it usually means a stack of SQL against half a dozen security tables or navigating through multiple pages in the PeopleSoft UI. PSLens drastically simplifies this. Let's walk the whole chain in PSLens instead, starting from a user. Let's switch over to the PSLens web application. We can search for a user by their username and click into the detail page. Here's the operator. Definition account status, whether it's locked, and when the password last changed. Here are the user's roles, which also show what permissions lists are in each roles. Everything is clickable. Click a role or permission list to explore it further. Most security questions for a user come down to, what can this person actually do in the system or see? The permission list is where that answer lives. PSLens has a comprehensive related data panel that will flatten out all the grants into their real categories in one clear view. Component and page authorizations, component interface authorizations, service operation authorizations, and process groups, to name a few. Each panel loads on demand, and each entry links to the underlying object so you can see exactly what's behind the grant. We can see here that this user has access to a large number of service operations, which should be a red flag for any security auditor. The related data panels allows you to see other authorizations like web libraries, query groups, or if this user is included in some special access categories like integration broker nodes and sign-in security. You are not limited to just a web view of the permission list. You can export the permission list to Markdown. Markdown is a simple text-based format that renders cleanly in a wiki or documentation site. It also works well with AI assistants like ChatGPT or Claude. You can paste the permission list into an AI assistant and ask it to summarize what this permission list grants and flag anything risky. The AI will respond with a summary grounded in your actual metadata, not a guess about what a permission list might contain. The user object also has an ad hoc report where you can export everything a user has in an organized report, which you can also export to Markdown. PSLens makes security research and auditing much easier in PeopleSoft. You can walk the chain from user to role to permission list, see exactly what a permission list grants, and export it all to Markdown for documentation or AI analysis, all without writing a single query. Reach out to get a demo of PSLens and see how it can help your team with security auditing and compliance in PeopleSoft.